Want to make a fashion statement? Turn heads in the halls? Then take notes.
I know what you need. You ready? Let me help you. Get a load of this beauty. It can be yours. Calm down, ladies.
Is it really you? You're so handsome in person!
Yeah, baby. You and you. Let's go.
I can't believe it! Wow! I feel so special!
Now go over there, okay? You want to dress to impress? I have just the thing.
Wow! Real rubies? So shiny!
I didn't say you could touch it. Ready? What do we have to watch today? It's Emily versus Jessica. Intriguing.
Whoa! I must have something. Ugh, ugly! Wait, no way! Finally, something I can use. Hey! Finders keepers. I just need something to snip. Let the styling begin. You'd be surprised what a few simple cuts can do. Prepare to be amazed. Wow, it's so chic. But I'm just getting started. There. Very nice. Now it'll fit perfectly. Whoa! What's that for? Oh, wow. Huh? I have some work to do. Jessica's not the only creative one around here. Pretty cute, right? Just you wait. Look. Wow! They totally look like rose petals now. All different sizes, too. Yep, I know just what to do. A gorgeous handmade flower. Ah, so pretty. I have something sweeter in mind. Jelly beans are my favorite. Oh. And just like that, they're a butterfly. Yay! The perfect focal point. I can be sweet too. Just you watch. Instead of butterflies, I'm going for more of a garden situation. And what's a garden without a rose? Pretty sweet, right? Totally goes with the theme. Ooh, fits perfectly. See? Yep, ditto. That thing's an eyesore. But I can take care of that. Here you go, Emily. Just being a friend.
I don't think so. Which one?
Oh. Please pick me. No, mine.
I guess if I have to pick, it's Emily all the way.
Ugh!
You've behaved badly, Jessica. Not winner material. Now for round 2. Wait a sec. I know. Let's see here. I've got it. Shoes.
Cute! Wow!
Have fun.
What's he doing down there? Aww. Psst! Hey!
All right, I'm up. Just get it done.
Oh. I got this. The assembly shouldn't be too hard. Not with some good glue on hand. There. But this yellow won't do. Black is definitely the way to go. Be careful. This thing's sharp. Much better. Ooh, come on. There, the perfect fit. Yum. Jelly beans at the ready. What more would you want from your shoes? These are some efficient boots. Candy boots? And they're actually cute. Hey.
Go over there.
Hey. I guess it's my turn then. And I deserve to have handy shoes, too. Pretty ones, too. And what's prettier than a butterfly? Wow! Now for a little sparkle action. So pretty. And the star of the show? My butterflies, obviously. Wow! I know, they're the cutest shoes ever. Whoa! I wouldn't say that. Well… Hey, what do you think?
What? Oh, okay. I gotta go, okay? Oh, those are quite nice. And so are those boots. But the winner?
Please, please?
You!
Yes!
Buckle up for round 3, folks. And this one may be the most interesting yet.
Ladies? Huh? Can I help you? It is I, the hair master. No way!
Alright,
Wow.
the time has come. Let's go.
Fine. What do you need?
I'm thinking something inspiring. You know, something innovative. Okay? This ought to be good.
Let me think. With those eyes? And that bone structure. Yep, chip chop, ladies. I'm so excited. Bring it on. I'm thinking layers. Uh-huh. And for you, let's get to work. Hello? What about me? It's really coming together. Oh, my hair!
Oh, man!
Your turn.
What's he gonna do now?
Don't do it! How do you like this? Ah!
Again? This is too much!
Ugh, enough! Good idea! Phew, close call. Now what? Maybe something more subtle? And you? Picky, but I can handle it. I've been doing this for years. It's all about the details. A couple twists, and voila!
Incredible! But twice?
Come in. I've got something even better for you. Now just hold this here. I'm coming. And I've got something sweet. Wow, this is way better. You can say that again. Thanks. So fab.
Wow! Time to pick a winner. Just look at this design.
And mine?
Wow, this is a tough one. But if I have to choose, it's both.
Woohoo! Yay!
Now for round 4. But what? Wait, that's it! Y'all ready for this?
What are you eating? Looks weird.
Hold on. You ladies ready for a manicure?
Ooh.
How about you? Things are getting nuts in here. I'm so ready for this.
Okay, bring it in, Emily. No hard feelings? Huh? Hey! Not cool, Jessica.
Ooh, cutthroat.
Just doing what I have to. And it's Manny time, but not just any old regular Manny. This one's a tad more creative. Just watch and learn, people. Hope you like sweets. Lots of them. Gotta love them candy nails. Wow.
What in the…
All finished. You jealous? Not particularly. Look at all this. I do love free materials. Let's do this thing. These shells are giving press-on realness. See how real they look? So cute. I'm so winning this round. You like? Nail besties.
They're getting along. Good, scary, and a little nutty. These look otherworldly. I have to go with Emily's.
Yay! I knew it!
From 4 to 5. Oh, girls,
Whoa! That was cool. You know what? Oh yeah! Okay. Pick a color, any color. Some blue maybe? And a hint of sparkle, of course. Now hold still. Same girl.
Very nice. And are we finished, ladies?
Yep. Make that both of us.
Alrighty then. We're all done, huh? Interesting.
Yay!
And this?
Like what you see?
Hold on. The best dresser is definitely…
Please, pick me.
I guess it belongs to you, Emily.
Seriously? Wow! Aw, bummer.
What? What are you doing?
Tastes good.
And yours? Don't tell me.
What? It's good.
I don't understand. They're nuts. Nuts!
Huh? Oh well.